So here we have the 2006 Porsche Cayenne. I'm just going to do a really quick walk around and just show you the vehicle, any cosmetic issues that I might notice on it. So it does not have any major dents but it just looks like it just has regular wear and tear scratches on it. This is just dirty because it's under a tree. It needs to be cleaned. And then I'll go ahead and start it up as well. So it looks like it has some scuff marks over here as well. And then I'll start it up just so you have an idea of what it looks like and sounds like. So we'll go inside. Oh. There we go. So right off the bat, you have your memory seats. You can control your windows from here. This is where we start the vehicle. There's no holes in the driver's seat or passenger seat, just regular wear and tear it looks like. This is the back seat itself. Now it does look like the top is falling off a little bit. And let's start her up. Ooh. Okay, so you push this button to pull the key out. There we go. Looks like it hasn't been started in a while. Yeah, it needs some fuel. It has no fuel whatsoever, which we can definitely do. It does not have the books in there. Okay, this is how you control the intensity of the AC. It's definitely blowing cold. This is your middle console. Have two compartments there. And then let's take a look at the sunroof. Okay, so that opens it up. There we go. And then I'll take a video of the engine running as well. Here's the engine. So this is what the trunk looks like. It looks like the hood or the trunk doesn't stay up by itself, so I do have to hold it up.